Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a vertical slider in Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, let me go back to my demo website. Here we can search and install a free plugin. You can easily use this plugin. You can type happy add-ons for Elementor. After that, you can activate it. Now let's go back to the pages. For example, I want to edit this page, and then after that you can add a new flexbox container. Here you can search for slider. So this is the slider. Here you can see happy add-ons. You can drag it here. After that, these are 5 slides, so let me remove, and I want to keep it only 2 slides. Now let me add some images. So after adding images, let me select one of the image. The second image, maybe this one. So now we have 2 different images. After that, here you can set image resolution and different other settings. So if you go here you can select animation speed, and then you can enable or disable autoplay. Then scroll down. This one, slide effect and fade effect. So now if you want to enable vertical slider, then you can use this option, and let me do that. Now here you can see it is moving vertically. So these are just for test images. You can use the images in correct dimensions to create this type of vertical slider.